Johnny Reynolds, you're my hero. Hello riders. So today I got a little problem with the Phantom. I got a rattle. Now it won't rattle, but it's annoying. My gauge cluster wants to rattle against the tank. So I'm here to remedy that. And I got a special helper today. My daughter's holding the selfie stick. Say hi, yeah. So, first thing I want to do is take it off, and I'm going to use these pads. They're actually furniture pads, but I'm going to use them to try to remedy my vibration. So, let's see if it'll work. I have the Andy Mancam approved toolkit. Sorry, Andy, I wasn't able to get the. I wasn't able to buy it off your website. Apparently, I'm not good enough to use Europe Amazon. I had to buy it off our Amazon. First thing I'm going to do is take it off. It is tight. You know, it feels loose, but the bolts are tight. So, which is really kind of weird. I got a little over 15,000 miles on it. I'm starting to get a little noises here and there. Noticing noises, and kind of driving me nuts. If I can find the right tool. There it is. Will you come a little closer if you can't see it? Just use your judgment. I went with the felt pads. I thought about using a rubber pad, but I don't know what's going to ruin the paint. If I ruin the paint underneath this, I'm afraid it's going to rust. And if it, you know, I just think that the felt pads are going to be better for paint. Yeah. Okay. Can you see that, Will? Mm-hmm. Okay. All right, now is a perfect opportunity to clean this up, huh? I love this Gruit's Garage Speed Shine. I use it all the time. Really good in between washes. Sure that it's good, it's not rusting here. There's no rust at all, and there's no paint damage, which is great. I'll take it. I think I actually think I have other noises going on. I think I have either I need new tires, or I have my front wheel bearings are going, are starting to make noise. Yeah, there is a pad right here. You see? I don't know why it is making all kinds of racket. What I'm going to do is I'm going to use a alcohol wipe, because this stuff has wax in it. It's not going to be good for a sticky pad. Okay, I'm going to put it on the plastic, not on the paint. Stick it to the plastic. I just don't know what is, I really don't know where it's making the noise. I know it's making noise. Okay, I wasn't going to use any more glue. Should stick. Should be okay. I thought about using the super glue or something, but just gonna take up some of this. Maybe it'll raise it up a little bit. I don't know. Get the shot right. Are you getting it okay? You got to move back? Okay. Some extra padding here. Try to get rid of this noise. See how that feels. See how this feels. Get my wiring in the right place here. There we go. There's like a little cutout for wiring. It's pretty cool, actually. Good idea. I think we got it. I like it. I think we got it, guys. Okay, let's just make sure everything's in place. Okay. Nice and snug, snugly. Click, click. Click, click. I think we got it. I think we got it. So I'll let you know how it turns out, but I think we got it. I'm happy with it. Yeah, like I said, I might make a video about these, about this front end noise. I don't think it's tires. I really don't. But we had a couple bad hot days, and every time I turn left, if I lean left, it just roars at me. So to me, it feels like a bearing. I can feel it through the handlebars. But my tires are also 15,000 miles old, so I don't know. Tell me what you guys think. And if you made it through this video this far, thank you. Thank you, Will, for holding the selfie stick. And I'll catch you on the next one.